Aloha mai kaua, o DJ Mermaid keia, a I ke oe, ua kako ia kahiki ke ho'olele ia keia pukana ma ka punai vele e nā hoa me nā lala o keia kahua lekio I lulu kala mai ia mako. No leila, he leo mahalo keia ia oko e nā lala, a I nā a ole oe he lala, mai kali a pauna niho, a e hui no me kako. E nāna paha oko ma hawaiipublicradio.org a mahalo nui. Aloha ahiahi kako. You are tuned in to member-supported Hawaii Public Radio 1. I'm DJ Mermaid Paige Okamura, welcoming you to another episode of Hawaii Kulaiwi. This evening, we'll be relaxing to some of my favorite Hapa Haole medley. You can find a full set list and more information online at our website at hawaiipublicradio.org/Hawaii Kulaiwi. We'll be right back after the news break. Opening up tonight's episode of Hawaii Kulaiwi with Beyond the Reef. That was Jack DeMello's orchestra
off of the album Music of Hawaii here on member-supported Hawaii Public Radio 1. I'm Paige Okamura, DJ Mermaid, your host of Hawaii Kulaiwi every Sunday from 6 to 7 p.m. And there are some times where all I want to do is sit back and relax and listen to the music. And that is how I feel today on this Sunday. I also want to tell my brother how Oli Lahana because it's his birthday today as well. So hopefully you folks are relaxing, celebrating, having a fabulous evening. I have just collected a bunch of my favorite Hapa Haole medley to play for you folks tonight. So coming up next is going to be Andy Cummings off of the album Andy Cummings and His Hawaiian Serenaders. With his composition of Waikiki, written in, I believe, 1947, released, I should say. Andy Cummings was on tour in the continent with the Paradise Islands Review, and he was in Lansing, Michigan, and felt severely homesick. It's cold and it's foggy. It's November 1938 maybe, and so on his way back to his hotel he thought about Waikiki with the rolling surf that it talks about in the song, the warmth of the sun and the trees, and so that homesickness inspired him to write the song that we all know so well called Waikiki. So this is Andy Cummings with his composition of Waikiki. Full set list can be found online at hawaiipublicradio.org.
Stabbing at me just like a dart. It's a feeling heavenly. I see memories out of the past, memories that always will last. All that place across the sea. Waikiki, at night when the shadows are falling, I hear your rolling surf calling and calling to me. Waikiki, 'tis for you that my heart is yearning. My thoughts are always returning out there to you across the sea. Your tropic nights and your wonderful charms are ever in my memory. And I recall when I held in my arms an angel sweet and heavenly. Waikiki, my whole life is empty without you. I miss that magic about you, magic beside the sea.
with you. For when you wear a lay of stars, the fairest one, if it's just an old Hawaiian custom. When I say aloha to you, it's just an old Hawaiian custom. When I say that I love you too, I love to sing for you a plaintive little melody and give a lay to you to make you very happy, happy. It's just an old Hawaiian custom. When I say aloha to you, it's just an old Hawaiian custom. When I say aloha to you, it's just an old Hawaiian custom. When I say that I love you too, I love to sing for you a plaintive little melody and give a lay to you to make you very happy, happy. It's just an old Hawaiian custom. When I say aloha to you.
That was Uncle George Naope on lead vocals off of the album Romantic Hawaii, with Johnny Noble's composition of It's Just an Old Hawaiian Custom. Usually in that version, I think they only sing the chorus through a couple times. There's a preceding verse that doesn't get sung on that particular version. Before that was I'll Weave a Lay of Stars for You, written by R. Alex Anderson and Jack Owens, performed by Auntie Emma Viri, off of her album The Best of Emma. I'm DJ Mermaid. You're listening to Hawaii Kulaiwi every Sunday from 6 to 7 p.m. here on member-supported Hawaii Public Radio 1. Tonight, I feel more like listening to the music than me talking so much. So I'm going to let the music set the tone and speak for itself tonight. It's all beautiful. It's music that transports you to another time. Same place, same Hawaii, just so many decades before today. Coming up next, Auntie Marlene Tsai, Paul Mark and his orchestra with Hawaii Calls, the Kahawanu Lake Trio with Ku'ule and Ho'imai Malihini. Also have some Silhouette Hula on the decks and Alfred Apaka's Ebb Tide, so don't go anywhere. So much more good music this evening. Full set list online at hawaiipublicradio.org.
Message of aloha to you, sweetheart, where'er you are. The surf is booming on the sand at Waikiki tonight. Oh, how I wish that you were strolling hand in hand with me tonight. Hawaii calls with the melody of love, dear, across the sea as evening falls, reminding me to dream a while of happy days we knew. Hawaii calls, and my heart's calling you. With the melody of love, dear, across the sea as evening falls, reminding me to dream a while of happy days we knew. Hawaii calls, and my heart's calling you.
Hawaiian Ho'i Mai Malihini, the Kahawanu Lakes Trio, off of the album Live at the Halekulani Hotel. Pausing the music just for a second to remind you folks that support for Hawaii Kulaiwi comes from Bill Fernandez. In his new book, End of the Gods, Hero Kalani joins in a Hawaiian civil war to end the religion of Ku in 1819, a year before the missionaries arrive. KawaiiBillFernandez.com. Coming up next here on Hawaii Kulaiwi, Antinina Kili Iwahamana and Bill Kaiva did a duet album called Hula Hula Luau Style, and they recorded Silhouette Hula on the album into my favorite Alfred Apaka song when he sings Ebb Tide. So don't go anywhere. Full set list online at hawaiipublicradio.org/Hawaii Kulaiwi.
Silhouette hula, shadows on the sand, telling a story with silhouette hands over the across the sea, silhouette is calling me. Were you just a dream that passed in the night, fading with the sincere when we kissed goodbye, leaving with a sigh? Silhouette dancing in my heart, counting the moments that we shadows on the sand, telling a story with silhouette hands over the mountain, far across the sea. Just a dream that passed in the night, fading with the light. Were your lips sincere when we kissed goodbye, leaving with a sigh? Silhouette dancing in my heart, counting the moments that we're
First the tide rushes in, plants a kiss on the shore, then rows out to sea, and the sea is very still once more. So I rush to your side like the oncoming tide, with one burning thought, with your arms open wide. At last we're face to face, and as we kiss through an embrace, I can tell, I can feel you are love, you're really mine. In the rain, in the dark, in the sun, like the tide at its end. I'm at peace in the web of your
You're gone with the wind. Oh, how I miss you tonight. What is there to do? I'm all alone. At 12 o'clock tonight, I'll always dream of you, dear. There is someone here who really cares for me. No matter where you go, darling, I'll always be with you. Without you, I'm just the same boy who'll always love you. Gone with what wind? I'll hope you'll come back someday. I'm all broken inside, gone with the wind.
The Kalima Brothers with Gone with the Wind. One of my favorites, including Only Ashes Remain on that album. The Kalima Brothers would often start off their sets, their live sets, with that song, with Gone with the Wind. So with that piano intro signaled start of the set. Before that, Alfred Opaka's Ebb Tide off of his album My Isle of Golden Dreams, and we started off that set with Nina Kiliva Hamana and Uncle Bill Kaiva with Silhouette Hula off of their duet album Hula Hula Luau Style. You're listening to Hawaii Kulaiwi here on member-supported Hawaii Public Radio 1, playing my favorite Hapahaole music tonight to relax to. Sometimes I think maybe more so in the slower songs, I find a lot of comfort in Hapahaole music. Sometimes in the more upbeat, fun ones, as fun as they are, it's also a reminder how Hawaii was heavily marketed as a tourism destination, and the ways that Hawaii was sold sometimes is more stark to me in more upbeat, faster Hapahaole songs than more mellow and slow ones. And oftentimes, I think in a previous show we've talked about how to define Hapahaole music, which is still a very lively debate that I still have not any really solid answers to. But as always, if you have input, if you have a thought, a comment, a story that you'd like to share, you can find my contact information and my email online at our website at hawaiipublicradio.org. Coming up next, Ane off of their album Hui. Speaking of loved ones gone with the wind or loved ones leaving us, this is Crushed Flowers here on Hawaii Public Radio 1's Hawaii Kulaiwi.
I have only crushed flowers left in my lake since you caressed me, my darling, and sailed away. Crushed orchids and ginger I hold to my heart. Oh, please come back to Hawaii, never to part. A new love may tempt me, but I'll always be true and watching and waiting here in paradise for two. I'll be waiting with you, lake Ekui Paila, to be crushed in our embrace, dear, 'cause I love you so. Waiting with you, lane Ekuipo, to be crushed in our embrace, dear, 'cause I love you so. I have only crushed flowers, crushed flowers. I have only crushed flowers in my lake.
you. As we wandered on the sand by the blue, blue sea, with not a cloud in the sky to distress us, not a care had you or I to suppress us. I shall always remember the moment when I kissed you, for the smile upon your lips so heavenly sweet. When your blue eyes looked into mine, it was then the sun began to shine that day in May. You wore a blue, blue lane. I shall always remember the moment when I kissed you, for the smile upon your lips so heavenly sweet. When your blue eyes looked into mine, it was then the sun began to shine that day in May. You wore a blue, blue My yellow ginger lake reveals the scent through the day, enchanting moments with you makes me love you. My yellow ginger lake reveals the scent through the day, enchanting moments with you makes me love you. Your enemy can be my
Richard Coheen Quartet with My Yellow Ginger Lay as re-released on the Territorial Airwaves album. Before that, the Royal Hawaiian Serenaders featuring Alfred Apaka with Blue Lay off of the album Twilight in Hawaii. And we started it off with Crushed Flowers by Aine off of their debut album, Hui Aine. I'm DJ Mermaid. You're listening to member-supported Hawaii Public Radio 1's Hawaii Kulaiwi, and support for Hawaii Kulaiwi comes from Locations, assisting investors with strategies for building wealth through real estate. More about the 1031 Exchange Seminar on October 26th at locationshawaii.com/seminar. We're looking at the last 10 minutes or so of tonight's episode of Hawaii Kulaiwi. I'm going to take you to my Aina Hanau and the gloriousness that it is when sung about by the one and only Loyal Gardner. This is Shores of Haleiwa off of her album Hawaii Today. Full set list online at hawaiipublicradio.org/Hawaii Kulaiwi.
As the surf booms on the shore of Haleiwa, while my heart beats for the one I really do adore. And dream of you, my love. They say the dreams, sometimes they really do come true. While standing on the seashore to the rolling surf, oh how I wish that I could be sure that you still love me so. Someday we'll meet again in Hawaii. Once more, standing on the seashore and listening to the rolling surf. Oh, how I wish that I could be sure that you still love me so. Someday we'll meet again in Haleiwa, and you and I will learn to roam the shores once more. Haleiwa, Haleiwa, my home.
alone I say, wait for me, wait for me. The days go slowly by without you close to me. Standing on a hill, looking down all around, awaiting your return to me once more. I thought of moving on, pack a bag on my way. I came upon that poem you gave me yesterday. There's no one else to see, so I know it's time to go. I'm going along my way, alone once more.
Dans la soirée il pleut doucement, je te tiens dans mes bras. Ce soir les larmes, les chansons tristes, mon âme ne pleure pas. J'adore les yeux qui sont si beaux. Hush now, don't you cry. Les nuages chantant un sweet, sweet, sweet Waimea lullaby. My darling, I'm in love with you, and times like these are very few. If I had my way, right here I'd stay and hold you forever, forever.
Please dream a pleasant dream for me. Hush now, don't you cry. I'll sing for you a sweet, sweet, sweet Waimea lullaby. Sweet, sweet Waimea lullaby. The cool morning dew, the cool morning dew, the cool morning dew.
The Brothers Casimiro with Morning Dew, and Ku'u Morning Dew, and Waimea Lullaby here on KHPR Honolulu, KKUA Wailuku, KANO Hilo, KHPH Kailua Kona, KIPL Lihue, and KJHF Kuala Lumpur. Collectively, the stations of member-supported Hawaii Public Radio 1. I'm DJ Mermaid. This is Hawaii Kulaiwi, leaving you with Kuili's I'll Remember You.
I'll remember you long after this endless summer is gone. I'll be lonely, oh so lonely, living only to remember you. I'll remember you, your voice as soft as a warm summer breeze, your sweet laughter mornings after, ever after. Ooh, I'll remember you, to your return to stay. Till then, I'll remember too every bright star we made wishes upon. Love me always, promise always. Ooh, you'll remember too. To your arms someday I'll return to stay. Till then I'll remember too every bright star we made wishes upon. Love me always, promise always. Ooh, you'll remember too. You remember too.